Hello everyone, thank you for coming to watch the demo of SabaiHub. In Australia, people often think of massage shop when they want to relax, but business that relax others often deal with stress themselves when it comes to running the shop. That's why SabaiHub exists. Sabai in Thai means relax or well. And we just want people who relax others to feel relaxed when they have to deal with running their shop as well. Nowadays, a business owner either run their business manually with paper or Excel, and that results in fragmented information, manually operate their business in many ways that consume their times and efforts instead of doing something that matters more. On the other hand, they might have to pay for $300 per month or over for five staffing and for features that will make their business run properly. This is where we find that SpyHub can address the problem. And now I'm going to demonstrate how the platform works briefly. So when new users that are not familiar with the platform come in, we have getting started as a feature that help them onboard smoothly. So for example, adding service, we have a guide um, in navigating this services page interface. It explains each element properly. Like for this one, what the table is, what to do if you want to add a new service, and it just explains each attributes properly. You can skip that as well. And after you have a few services already, you can come to the calendar. And as you can see, there is no timetable displaying at the moment because we haven't rostered any staff. So you can fix that by going to the roster, adding a shift, publish, and when you come back, you see that there's a time slot available for booking. You can click at any part of the timetable, choose any service, or you can change the therapist, and you can specify if let's say that the client is a regular or a client that has come more than just one time. You can search by name, phone or email, or if there's a walk-in client, you can just choose walk-in and you can add the details later. And if there's any change with this, you can change the status to checked in as the client has arrived, cancel or no show. Or you can edit for the service, therapist, date and time. And it's none in this case, so we just cancel and go to checkout. You can specify the walk-in client's information later or now, or you can add discounts or vouchers if there's any, add any tips and select the payment type. If it's cash, you can the system will pop up the calculator and it will calculate how much left for change or how if it's short of payment, it will just inform as well. So the design is quite intuitive and friendly for users. We can select a card or high caps for any insurance payment. Yep, and these are the main features that users will use on daily basis. And in the future, we plan to enhance the platform with many more useful features from the feedback and data that we will get from a few Thai business shops that we have already onboarded to use this SabaiHub for free. And we plan also to build a mobile app for convenience or Stripe for payment integration. This product is made possible by the state-of-the-art agentic AI workflow. So first, we start from defining the product of feature visions and scope. See if there's any skills required or any MCPs that could be useful in implementing the feature. Like for example, the the calendar feature, we might implement uh, interface skills like React, best practices, or any UI in library. And after that, we specify the goals, user stories, and expected behaviors, and also test cases, because we want to make use of the benefits of spec-driven development or test-driven development to prevent bugs and ensure the clean code is there so that we can iterate faster and move faster in the development. And after that, we break down tasks into subtasks and try to specify each subtask with acceptance criteria or test cases. After that, we implement with AI, and then we validate with automation testing or manual testing on crucial test cases. And eventually, if we find any bug, we just find a way to fix it. But if it is a repetitive bug, we'll pull a test to analyze the bug and how to prevent it. And we might add a document to describe the bug with details. And we might also add a section to one of our skills to prevent it, as if it's super important, like a guardrail. This especially happens with a massive bug. And as a result, we just have a development workflow that is safer and faster in every iteration. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll answer my best. Thank you.